Welcome back to Minima Momento. Today I'm going to show you how to build this Scandinavian coffee table. Starting off, I cut the coffee table's legs and supports that will cross underneath the table. I made this simple jig to help me cut these pieces, and I used a piece of wood as a stop, so my pieces are evenly long and straight. I had to cut the wood twice, because my saw blade is not wide enough to cut through. I used a piece of cardboard to help me draw a circle on the pine board, and I will use it for the tabletop and shelf underneath. Using a nail and a pencil, I was able to draw a perfect circle. Then, with my jigsaw, I cut out these pieces. First, I did a rough cut about 1 centimeter away from the circle. Then I did a more accurate, about 1 millimeter cut from the lines, leaving enough space for sanding. I used 40, then 120 and finally 180 grit sandpaper to sand them, and I sanded the legs with 180 grit only. I painted the tabletop white and left the other pieces natural color. I gave them only 3 coats of poly. When the paint and poly dried, I started to assemble the table. I used brackets on the support. These will hold the legs. To make this cross, I used my circular saw. I set the depth of the blade to the half of the wood. I cut these lines first, then small cuts in between until the whole area was done. As a next step, I put the wheels on. I wanted to hide them, so I placed a little bit further inside. I made sure all of them are the same distance from the edge of the table and screwed them to the support. Next, I put the lower shelf on, again making sure it's the same distance from each side. Then I turned upside down and screwed it from the bottom, so it will be no screw visible. I pre-drilled holes and used a countersink to hide the screws below the surface. I removed the wheels until I screwed the legs on, because I realized there is not enough space for my drill machine. You can avoid this extra bit of job by putting the legs on first and the wheels after. Then I used a piece of wood to guide me where I have to screw the brackets on the bottom of the tabletop. These brackets are exactly the same distance from the edge of the tabletop and hold the legs in 90 degrees. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of our new videos. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram.